Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Kouki Cutters. Today we are going to be working on the STI again. What do we got?
Got a STI Lip that I got a good deal on it. It's okay. It's gonna be a beater, but it looks alright.
It's good.
STI. So it's OEM. And these suckers are like usually like what, like $400 and something?
I don't know.
So I mean, it's a good deal. Guy was getting rid of his STI and he had bought a Ford Focus, which is, I don't even know why would you do that, but but yeah, he's got rid of it. This is gonna go on there, make it look a little bit more aggressive. So
alrighty, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So for the lip, there's little tiny X's on the stock bumper that show you where you gotta drill so that you can make new holes so you can mount the lip. So we're gonna fit it all up, and I guess it uses some of the stock clips so that you can position everything.
And apparently when you buy an STI, it comes with missing clips, so
yeah, he's already missing a few clips. So one right there is missing. This one that's on this side is missing. The one that's over there is missing.
And I got this with 0 miles. Comes with missing clips, motherfuckers.
So we're gonna clip it up, and then wherever it lands, we're just gonna drill the holes as close as possible, and then install it, and that's it.
Should be a pretty easy install.
It's gonna be a quick video, nothing too crazy.
Just some drilling, and what the fuck was that?
I don't know. They look like a. Is it a lizard? He's right there.
That motherfucker just legit went under me.
He jumped, bro. He jumped off you.
Just be fairly easy. Shouldn't be too hard.
Yeah, but you know, knowing us, we'll manage to fuck it up somehow.
Amazon special.
Amazon special.
$20 fucking.
Get your replacement OEM Subaru clips that are missing from the dealership.
Whatever you need.
There it is.
I guess we'll take off.
So no project is a project without a trip to AutoZone or fucking Home Depot.
And it's a Honda parts, man.
And they're Honda parts that we gotta put on a Subaru, man. Hey, at least you're still in the Honda game, right? Rest in peace!
Still in the Honda game now. Honda.
Alrighty, so now we just gotta fit up the lip. Everything's looking pretty good. We just gotta drill it for the rest of the remaining holes, and then we're gonna put some stainless steel nuts and bolts. So yeah,
here we go.
I'm gonna drill it nice and flush. There we go. I'll drill it, and that's it. Then we're done here.
I'm just gonna, I want to press this up so it get the perfect fitment, no gaps.
You gonna press it? You want me to press it?
Yeah, you could press it up. I mean, you just take a look at it as long as there's no gaps. You know? Just take a look at it, make sure no gaps, and I'm gonna drill it right now.
Here we go. Ready?
Okay.
Right there, like that.
Yeah. Okay. How does it look? Because I can't see. It's good? Okay, here we go.
Yeah, so you put a hole in your block.
I put a hole in my fucking block. Don't get scared. I'm already getting. My heart can't take it right now. I'm drilling into my car. Okay, here we go.
stainless steel.
Stainless steel, so it shouldn't be, you know, status error or something, something, you know, like something bad. But this is perfect. This will work.
So you're just gonna sandwich it, right?
I'm just gonna sandwich it, and it's more secure. I mean, I believe it's more secure with this. You know,
nylocks and just regular bolts, stainless steel bolts.
Yeah, because the OEM ones, apparently the OEM ones, they, as soon as he took off one, they just snapped off. I'm like, we barely even applied any pressure on it, and it just broke. Just like that. And then
right here,
it's crazy. It broke just like that, and I'm just like, well, imagine that's what's holding your lip, and you're going over the freeways and shit, and then that's gonna snap off. And this one came with some missing clips, and I'm yet to go to Subaru to fucking bitch at them. Yeah, so I'm literally gonna go Monday and fucking bitch at them and see why my shit's missing. You're paying for
why am I missing clips?
Yeah, like you paid for a almost $40,000 car and you have no missing clips. Like, come on. What is this? It's not a Honda? Come on.
But yeah, we're using Honda parts.
You're using Honda parts. So.
Honda clips.
Yeah. We're using some clips because those clips actually hold out pretty well. So they're pretty good. It's not like I'm gonna go doing track days yet anytime soon. Just wanna look pretty. All right, here we go. Here we go.
I feel comfortable with these anyways. Thank you so much for taking out those clips. I don't have to do it anymore. You already did it for me, sir. Yeah, these freaking washers are the perfect size.
Yeah, they're almost like fender washers, no?
Yeah.
Almost like fender washers.
Almost, yeah.
I like these screws a lot better. Oh yeah.
Bumper.
Huh?
You're gonna strip the bumper.
No. We're good. I'm just trying to little zap.
Zappy.
Zappy. I don't want any gaps. You see any gaps in the front?
Looks fine from here.
Looks good.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
It's very straightforward, huh? All right. I'm gonna get
Pretty
there.
straightforward, even without the clips, you know?
Whatever the clips are, fuck those clips right now.
Look
at this.
It's on the camera, like right here, you can see that there's a mean gap, but when you put the bolt through, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. So cover up this gap right here.
Yeah, see? That's it, you popped it in and the gap kind of went away.
Okay. Safe. Better to be safe. Better to be in the safe side. Put this in.
At least you know that shit's not gonna come
Well, I think other people like to use clips, but this one is actually gonna not go anywhere for sure.
Yeah, see the gap went away.
Perfect.
It's slowly closing.
Slowly closing. Okay, we're good. Perfecto.
Brand new car, bro, and you already drilled holes into it. How do you feel?
Well, compared to what I'm gonna do in the future, I think I should just start getting used to it. You know, I'm probably gonna do a various kit, maybe.
That's it, all the gaps gone.
Beautiful.
So we're done putting the screws and all that in. What do we got left to do?
Just turn the wheel and get the screw for these sides right here. Get them perfectly fitted, close to it.
And then drill those holes, right?
Drill these two holes, one right here and one driver's
On the
side,
other
and
side.
passenger side.
All right.
Done.
Hey, there we go.
Boom. That's it.
It's pretty fitted.
Not that bad. It's good.
That's pretty good.
And it's from Amazon, so fuck it.
Amazon special.
Amazon special.
Amazon special.
Look how it looks. See?
Amazon special.
And it looks pretty OEM.
Let's see what
It's
it
just
looks like.
just a pull in. That's it.
Damn, it's like blends in.
It doesn't look like shit. So.
All right, let's do the other side.
Alright, which one the fuck do we use? That's a good question. I think it was this one.
Yeah, that one. Same one. All right, let's do it.
All this shit in.
Yeah, hold it for you. Up. Up and in, like that. Easy.
Easy enough.
Put the clip in.
Push this in. That's it. Done deal.
Boom.
That's it. It's pretty good. Works. Amazon shit.
That looks good, dude. I like it.
This is pretty much the final. Everything. There's no gaps.
No, there's no gaps.
So it's here maybe. Actually, over here. Look at this.
Where?
Do something about this. Oh, maybe I forgot. Oh, I forgot one.
You forgot one?
I forgot one. My bad. Let's see.
It's a good thing that we got what? We got one more set of washers.
Oh, one more set of washers and screw. That's the one I'm missing.
Yeah. All right, let me go get you the screw real quick. Here you go, Nelson.
This is what I needed.
We need it.
This is what we needed. And I fucked up. I would have just drove in like that with a gap. Nobody. Don't let your friends drive with gaps.
Don't let your friends get gapped? What? Something like that. All right.
We're good to go.
Good to go.
Final fitment.
Boom.
That's it. No gaps. That's it.
Looks clean. I like it.
Dish soap.
Dish soap?
I literally took a shower with this lip. Secretly. And I mean, it's used, yeah, but I mean, this is gonna be the beater lip, so.
Gonna be beater lip?
This is the beater lip.
Are you gonna get a carbon fiber eventually or what?
Eventually, I am gonna get a carbon or APR lip, but
Whoa.
APR lip will be nice later. But for now, this is fine.
Stock Ace STI?
Yeah, and it's a good deal. I mean, I got it for a good deal, so.
It's not stock, right? It's aftermarket, technically.
This is actually optional.
Optional.
Yeah, I believe this is optional for get it from OEM Subaru. And you could probably do a close up right here. See, right here it says Subaru. Yeah. See, so you know, you guys, this is the real shit. Right there it says Subaru, made in Japan.
There we go. So we used quarter 20 stainless steel hardware.
And then it's
all the way around.
And that actually will work out a lot better. Because these clips, I don't have too much confidence. If you guys have confidence for these little clips, then by all means, but not me. Even in my
right here.
I mean, that lippers ain't going nowhere. For sure, it's not gonna go anywhere. This is it. So.
And we put a shitload of nuts and bolts in this thing.
Guaranteed.
Heavy duty, guaranteed. So what, next video on the STI is what, coilovers or what?
Well, it could be either coilovers, because I'm thinking of getting coilovers, or I'm thinking of getting some valences for my side skirts. Some little cosmetic stuff. I was thinking of getting some cosmetic stuff before I actually drop the car. And when I drop the car, boom, everything will be nice.
So it just looks like a monster truck for a little bit, and then boom,
it'll look nice, more low profile. And you know, probably throw in some spacers from Subi Speed, because Subi Speed has some spacers, and probably space them all to make it look more flushed
out.
So it's gonna look good. So for now, this is one of many mods. One of many mods to come. And we'll see what happens. Stay tuned for more.
Well, there you guys have it.
Are you done? I'm done. 100% done.
It's hot today. It's like 100 degrees today.
I'm sweating.
It's bad. So bad. But anyways, we're done. He's done. Car's done. So, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.
Peace. Fucking Subaru missing fucking clips. Vale verga, man. Oh my god.